Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make simple and nutritious avocado salad. It has lots of health benefits including protecting eyesight, preventing the buildup of cholesterol, reducing the chances of diabetes, cancer and heart disease. It helps in stabilizing mood and managing weight. Especially it is very easy and simple to make. For one big bowl of salad, take 1 avocado, 2 cucumber, 2 tomatoes, half red onion or any onion available, half bunch of chopped coriander or parsley. Slice the cucumber into bite-sized pieces. Cucumber has high water content which maintain hydration, prevent kidney disease and helps in weight loss and improve digestion. Now cut tomatoes into bite-sized pieces. Thinly slice the half red onion, or you can use any color of onion. Take a big bowl and put the chopped cucumber, tomatoes and onion into it and set aside. Now cut the avocado into bite-sized pieces and add them to the bowl. Avocado is high in fiber which helps in digestion. It also contains beta-carotene and vitamin E, C and B6 which protects eyesight and improves skin condition. Additionally, avocado contains potassium which reduces blood pressure and prevents heart issues. Its antioxidant property reduces the chances of diabetes and cancer. At the end, thinly chop the coriander or parsley and sprinkle on top of the salad. Now prepare the dressing. Take a small jar, then add 2 tablespoons freshly squeezed lemon juice. Pour 2 tablespoons of olive oil into it and half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon salt or according to your taste. And shake well. Now pour the dressing on top of the salad like this and mix gently. Now look at this. Our tasty, healthy and full of great nutrients avocado salad is ready. Please give this recipe a try, and if you enjoy my video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more healthy recipes and health related tips. Thank you for watching my video.